Okay, everyone, we have a GO train coming. I think just Sideroad. Cab car 354. An MP40 engine, 651. There goes the ramp bend. Just about to hit me a rock. So yeah, how did I see this train? Let me tell you this. We were passing Aurora GO station when I saw for crossing lights at Wellington Street and Center Street was on. So yeah, and then since we were going to St. John's anyway to go somewhere else, we decided to see this train that we almost missed. So yeah, that's basically how we saw this train. Anyways, I think that'll be it from me as always. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.